Hi, this is Tyler from Diamond Protech, here today to talk about the Diamond Protech Maintenance Kit. Diamond Protech Maintenance Kit is designed specifically to be used after your vehicle has been coated with a Diamond Body or Diamond Body 36 in order to maintain your hydrophobic properties of your coating. Inside the kit, you're going to receive a bottle of Diamond Body Prep, your quick body bottle, which will do 2 to 3 applications, 2 microfiber towels, and 2 sets of gloves, 1 large, 1 extra large. This product can be used as a standalone, but excels when being applied on top of a nano diamond coated vehicle. Once you have washed and decontaminated the vehicle, use the body prep to prep, prime, and activate the surface of the vehicle for best adhesion of your diamond quick body coating. Once you finish your application, the vehicle is immediately ready to get wet. Hope you've learned a lot about the Diamond Maintenance Kit. Thanks for watching.